Hey guys, it's Greg here again and we are back with another skincare video. Today, pag-uusapan natin this famous skincare brand named COSRX. And in this video, ang pag-uusapan natin is this cleanser named Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Tagal ko nang ginagamit to. Nagamit ko na to ng ilang beses. Actually, parang pang 3 tube ko na to. And binabalik-balikan ko to minsan-minsan. And you will know why as we go along in the video. So, if you're interested to know more about this cleanser, keep on watching. So, COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. First, ano ba ibig sabihin ng low pH? Ibig sabihin, it's on the acidic side of the spectrum. And this cleanser is pH 5. And yung skin natin is nasa 3 to 4 pH level. Yes, our skin is slightly acidic. So, kung gagamit tayo ng cleanser na nasa 5 to 5.5 pH level, that serves best for our skin. This cleanser comes in a white tube with blue and yellow color patterns, and the tube is 150 ml. So matagal-tagal mo na rin itong magagamit. As you see, it's a clear gel cleanser. It also smells really clean, and I get hints of tea tree oil in here. So iisa-isahin natin yung mga good points sa cleanser na to aside from it being low pH. The first thing is, it's great for oily and acne-prone skin. Since gel-based ang texture nitong cleanser na to, meaning hindi siya foamy, hindi siya sobrang babula. So kapag ang cleanser is hindi sobrang bula, it means mas gentle siya on our skin. Meaning, it does not strip away yung mga necessary oil sa skin natin because we need that oil in our skin para manatiling healthy and working yung ating moisture barrier. Second thing is, it's alcohol-free. Alcohol-free. Third thing is, it has betaine salicylate. Ito ay parang salicylic acid din, pero this one is mas mild siya. And though exfoliating din siya, pero it's not as harsh as the salicylic acid. And the good thing about this ingredient is may moisturizing property siya. Third thing is it has tea tree oil. If you know me, alam nyo na sobrang gustong-gusto ko ng tea tree ingredient. Dahil yan ang unang nakatulong sa akin sa skincare journey ko nung marami pa akong acne at wala pa ako sa skincare game. Sobrang effective ng tea tree sa akin to clear my skin from all these blemishes. And that same ingredient ay meron din sa cleanser na to. Now, kailan to pwedeng gamitin? Though nakalagay na good morning cleanser siya, pero hindi ibig sabihin no, na umaga lang siya pwede gamitin. You can use this morning and evening as your daily cleanser. 150 ml tube is 540 pesos kung sa mall mo siya bibilhin. Pero sa mga online discounters, you can get this for 350 to 450 pesos. Don't worry, ililink ko yung mga stores na yan in the description box. Now, let me share with you yung personal experience ko sa cleanser na to. Mga around June, medyo dumalang yung pag-upload ko ng videos. Not just because I'm busy, but at the same time, nagkaroon ako ng parang allergy dito sa harap ng mukha ko. So, dahil yan sa paggamit nito. Ito yung ginagamit sa loob ng mask. Kaya para mas makahinga ka ng maayos. Kaya para hindi masyadong masikip yung mask mo. So, maganda naman siya. Ang problem is hindi ko nasa-sanitize ito. Nangyari, parang nag-build up yung mga bacteria siguro. So, ang dami kong acne. Tapos nangapal yung balat ko. Parang siyang eczema na makati. Tapos kumakalat na siya. Kumakalat siya sa mukha ko. So, medyo nag-worry ako nun. So, sabi ko, hanap ako ng mga anti-acne, antibacterial, antimicrobial na mga products. Ganyan. Unfortunately, wala na akong, naubusan na ako nitong cleanser na to. So, nagamit ko lang siya ng mga ilang beses and then wala na siya laman. So, ang ginawa ko, tinry ko tong cleanser na to ulit. So, ito na yung naging cleanser ko habang ginagamot ko yung nangyari sa mukha ko. So, sabay nito is an anti-acne serum that I'm developing. I-reveal ko to in the near future and together with Physiogel. So, ito is ang purpose nito kung ba't ko siya ginawa is because to strengthen and repair my skin's moisture barrier. Kasi alam ko na because of the build-up ng bacteria na yon, kung ano man yung nangyari sa balat ko, I'm sure yung moisture barrier ko is nasira na siya. So, kailangan ko siyang tulungan para ibalik yun. Together with the anti-acne products na ginagamit ko. Yung skin condition na nangyari sa akin, inabot ng mga 3 linggo yun. And every week, lumalala siya. Ginawa ko yung skincare combination na yun, yan, in less than a week, yan, nag-fade na siya. Although nag-iwan siya ng mga brown marks dun sa bandang harapan ng pisngi ko. Pero at least nawala siya in just a week. And this cleanser is for sure talaga nakatulong siya because talaga nafe-feel ko na nagfe-fade yung mga acne na yan. So sa may mga oily and acne prone skin, I highly recommend that you try Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Kung hindi nyo pa nasusubukan to, this is really worth the try. And again, the links of the shops will be in the description box. So sa mga nakagamit na ng cleanser na to, if ever nakagamit na kayo, I want to know your experience with this cleanser. Drop it down in the comment section. Before you go, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you again, guys, for joining me. Always keep safe. As always, see you in my next video. Peace.